The Mayo Clinic diet is a comprehensive weight loss program developed by experts at the Mayo Clinic, focusing on long-term, sustainable changes rather than quick fixes. The book provides a two-phase plan to help individuals lose weight and maintain a healthy lifestyle. Phase 1, lose it. This initial phase lasts for 2 weeks and is designed to jumpstart weight loss. It emphasizes building healthy habits, like increasing physical activity, eating more fruits and vegetables, and cutting out unhealthy foods such as added sugars and processed foods. The goal is to lose 6 to 10 pounds during this phase by following a structured eating and exercise plan. Phase 2, live it. This is a long-term lifestyle phase where the focus shifts from rapid weight loss to maintaining progress. It teaches individuals how to set realistic goals, practice portion control, and manage eating habits to prevent weight regain. The phase encourages mindful eating, ongoing physical activity, and flexibility in food choices to support lasting health and weight management. The Mayo Clinic diet promotes a balanced approach, emphasizing healthy, whole foods, mindful eating, regular exercise, and behavioral changes. It's designed to be a practical and sustainable plan that fits into everyday life, focusing on creating positive habits rather than extreme dieting. The book includes meal plans, recipes, and practical tips for managing cravings and maintaining motivation. Thank you so much for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Until next time, happy reading!